Barbara from FaceDoc. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach and release clicks from the workbench base. Practice once or twice, you'll get comfortable really quickly. First, you should know that clicks are designed to insert easily, lock firmly into place, and stay put until you deliberately release them. The secret is the feet. Notice them. The first are the locating feet. They look like little shoes. The second are the locking feet, and they have springs on them and look like a pillar with a slit through the middle. Take a moment and just look how the springs work. Keep the locking feet towards you and tip the click and insert the locating feet into any two holes in the base. Make sure they're firmly seated. Squeeze gently with both hands and push down. To release, reverse the process. Squeeze gently and tip up. Remember to always use two hands and practice a little bit. You'll get the hang of it really quickly.